When you think about Christmas, one of the first things that probably comes to mind is the feeling. That warm, cozy, magical atmosphere that instantly makes a home feel different. And that's exactly where Christmas decorations come in. They're not just about making your space look nice, they're about creating an experience, a mood, and even memories that can last for years. Decorating your home for Christmas has a powerful emotional impact. It can instantly lift your mood, reduce stress, and bring a sense of comfort that's hard to describe. There's something about soft lights, festive colors, and familiar ornaments that makes everything feel calmer and more joyful. After a long day, walking into a decorated home can feel like stepping into a completely different world, one that feels safe, warm, and full of life. Another beautiful benefit is how decorations bring people together. Whether you live with family, friends, or even by yourself, decorating can turn into a meaningful ritual. It's not just about placing ornaments or arranging lights, it's about the moments you create while doing it. Laughing while untangling lights, choosing where each decoration goes, or even playing Christmas music in the background can turn a simple task into something memorable. And if you have guests over, a decorated home naturally makes people feel more welcome and comfortable. Christmas decorations also allow you to express your personality and style. Your home becomes a reflection of who you are. Some people love a classic look with reds, greens, and golds, while others prefer modern styles with whites, silvers, or even minimalistic designs. There's no right or wrong way to decorate, and that's what makes it so special. You can mix textures, colors, and themes to create something that feels uniquely yours. If you want your home to feel cohesive, one of the best things you can do is choose a color palette before you start. This helps everything look more intentional and harmonious. For example, sticking to 2 or 3 main colors throughout your space can make even simple decorations look elegant and well thought out. You don't need to buy expensive items. Sometimes just coordinating what you already have can completely transform the look. Lighting plays a huge role in Christmas decoration, and it's often underestimated. Soft, warm lights can instantly make any room feel cozy and inviting. You can wrap lights around your tree, place them along shelves, or even use them in unexpected areas like inside glass jars or around windows. The goal is to create layers of light, rather than relying on a single source. This adds depth and makes your space feel more dynamic and magical. The Christmas tree is usually the centerpiece of the home, and decorating it can be one of the most enjoyable parts. Instead of rushing, take your time and build it step by step. Start with lights, then add larger ornaments and finish with smaller details. Mixing different sizes and textures creates a more interesting and balanced look. And don't be afraid to include personal touches like handmade ornaments or meaningful pieces, because those are the ones that truly make your tree special. Beyond the tree, there are so many areas in your home that you can decorate to enhance the overall atmosphere. Your living room can benefit from cozy elements like festive cushions, blankets, or small decorative accents on tables. The dining area is another great space to focus on, especially if you plan to host meals. A simple centerpiece, candles, or even themed table settings can make a big difference without requiring too much effort. One often overlooked idea is incorporating natural elements into your decoration. Things like pine cones, branches, or greenery can add texture and a fresh, organic feel to your home. They also pair beautifully with almost any style, whether you're going for rustic, elegant, or modern. Plus, they can be a very affordable option while still looking stunning. Another great tip is to avoid overcrowding your space. It can be tempting to use every decoration you have, but sometimes less is more. Leaving a bit of space between decorations allows each piece to stand out and keeps your home from feeling overwhelming. A clean and balanced look often feels more relaxing and visually appealing. If you want to take your decoration to the next level, think about creating small focal points around your home. Instead of concentrating everything in one area, spread out little moments of decoration. A decorated shelf, a styled corner, or even a small festive arrangement in unexpected places can make your entire home feel consistently decorated without needing a huge budget. Scent is another powerful element that many people forget. Christmas isn't just about how your home looks, but also how it feels and smells. Candles, diffusers, or even natural scents like cinnamon or pine can enhance the atmosphere and make your space even more immersive. When all your senses are involved, the experience becomes much richer. One of the most important things to remember is that Christmas decoration should feel enjoyable, not stressful. It's easy to compare your home to what you see online, but the goal isn't perfection. The goal is to create a space that makes you feel happy and comfortable. Even small touches can make a big difference, and sometimes the simplest decorations are the most meaningful. Over time, decorating for Christmas can become a tradition that you look forward to every year. You might reuse certain pieces, add new ones, or change your style slightly, but each year adds another layer of memories. And that's really the heart of it all. It's not just about how your home looks, it's about how it makes you feel and the moments you create inside it. And something else that makes Christmas decorations so powerful is how they can actually change your perception of space. Even a small home or apartment can feel bigger, brighter, and more inviting when it's decorated thoughtfully. Strategic placement of mirrors, lights, and reflective ornaments can make a room feel more open and full of life. It's not about the size of your home, it's about how you use what you have. Another important advantage is the sense of routine and stability that decorating can bring. In a world that often feels fast and unpredictable, seasonal traditions like decorating your home give you something familiar to hold on to. It creates a rhythm in your life, something you can look forward to each year. Even if everything else changes, that moment of putting up decorations can feel grounding and comforting. You can also use Christmas decorations as a way to refresh your home without doing a full redesign. Instead of changing furniture or repainting walls, small seasonal touches can completely transform the atmosphere. Swapping out everyday items like cushions, table runners, or even wall art for festive versions can give your home a new identity, even if it's just temporary. If you enjoy creativity, this is also the perfect opportunity to experiment. You don't have to follow trends exactly as they are. You can adapt them, combine ideas, or even create your own decorations. DIY elements add a personal and authentic touch that store-bought items sometimes lack. Handmade ornaments, customized centerpieces, or even simple crafts can make your decoration feel more meaningful and unique. Another great idea is to think about layering textures. During Christmas, combining soft fabrics like blankets and cushions with shiny ornaments, natural greenery, and wooden elements creates a richer and more inviting look. Texture adds depth, and it makes your space feel more comfortable, almost like you want to stay there longer and enjoy the moment. Sound can also play a subtle but important role. While it's not a decoration you can see, adding soft background music can enhance the overall experience of your space. When combined with visual elements like lights and ornaments, it creates a full atmosphere that feels immersive. It's these small details that turn a decorated house into a truly festive home. Another tip that can make a big difference is to decorate gradually instead of doing everything at once. This allows you to enjoy the process more, and also gives you time to adjust things as you go. Sometimes when everything is done in a rush, it can feel overwhelming or less intentional. Taking it step by step makes the experience more enjoyable, and the results more satisfying. So as you start thinking about decorating your home, focus on creating a space that feels warm, welcoming, and true to you. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to experiment. Because at the end of the day, Christmas decoration isn't just decoration, it's a way to bring joy, comfort, and a little bit of magic into your everyday life.